Dr. Dog here again with my assistant, Agent Orange, and now I'm going to do a new experiment with animals. So, in one of these two cups, there's vodka, and the other one there's water. Now, the dog will walk up to one of these two, and he'll drink the one that's vodka. All right. Okay. Come on, Agent Orange. All right. Gotta be really delicate with these kind of things. All right. Come on, get over here. Come on, get over here, Agent Orange. Which one is the water or the vodka? Hey, get over here, dude. Come on. Fucking 1 out of 10 dogs can't tell the difference. Here, smell it again. You can smell it all you want. Come on. Come on, dude. I mean, dog. Come on. Oh, God damn it. He knew. He knows. Good dog! It's a trick question! They're both water, little buddy! They're both water! They're both water! Where's my little boy? They're both water! They're